how caught up do you get in and out, like when to post, hashtag, like there's so many little things, you know. My buddy Shane was at a mastermind with like Tim Bratz and Ryan Pineda. I think people forget that could be a job in itself. Like it can be overwhelming. What is some like quick and dirty, easy ways that you would say, or some advice you would give for somebody starting out their social media?
My brand is a business now. Like we track views, we track shares, we track all the KPIs. So like once it gets to that point, yes, you have to treat it as a business. There's processes, there's systems, there's team members, there's editors, like there's a lot of people involved. But everybody you don't start there, right? You don't start with $100,000 a year's payroll for all these things. It doesn't happen, right? You have to start at the beginning, which is where I started. And one of the best pieces of advice that I got when I started was I was like, well, what do I share? What do I talk about? People want to hear about. And somebody said to me, they said, don't create, just document. So just document what you're doing. You don't have to go out there and create these crazy hype videos and this video ad and this reel that's insane. Like I do that now because I have the team that does it, and it is a business. At the beginning, I just documented what I was doing. So if I was making a phone call, I recorded the phone call. If I was going on an appointment, I showed the appointment. If I was working out in the gym, I posted the weights. If I was on vacation or getting on an airplane, I posted the airplane. So if people follow you, they want to know everything. They want to know when you wake up, what you eat, what you wear, who you're hanging with, who you're talking to, what deals you're doing, what failures, what wins. Like they literally want to know everything about your life. So just document the journey. You know, if you're brand new, document the journey of how you went from broke to millionaire. If you're already doing deals, document the journey of how you went from rich to richer. Like people want, if they follow you, they want to see that stuff. So documentation and not creation was one of the best pieces of advice.